Hi, I'm Teacher Well. Today we are going to solve two-point boundary value problem with periodic boundary conditions. Suppose we have here an equation y double prime plus 9y equals 0. Our boundary conditions y of 0 equals 2 and y of 2 pi equals 2. And our general solution y of x equals a cosine 3x plus b sine 3x. Our job is to find A and B that satisfy our boundary condition. But here's the interesting part. We'll see that the second condition doesn't determine B. That tells us something deep about the problem. So, first step, we're going to apply the boundary condition for y of 0 equals 2. So, y of 0 equals 2. So, we're going first to plug x equals 0 to our general solution. So y of 0 that is equal to a cosine of 3 times 0 that is 0 plus b sine of 3 times 0 that is 0. So therefore, y of 0 now is equal to, so cosine of 0 is 1, so 1 times a that is a plus sine of 0 is 0. So 0 times b that is 0. So therefore, y of 0 is equal to a. So that means our a is equal to 2. So therefore, our cosine term is fixed. Our second step is to apply the boundary condition for y of 2 pi. So y of 2 pi, so we're going to substitute x equals 2 pi to our updated general solution. So y of 2 pi now is equal to 2 cosine of 3x plus b sine of 3x. Substitute 2 pi to x, so therefore this will become 2 cosine 3 times 2 pi, that is 6 pi, plus b sine 3 times 2 pi is also 6 pi. Notice that 6 pi is a multiple of 2 pi. So cosine 6 pi is still 1. So this will become 2 times 1 plus b sine of 6 pi is 0. So b times 0. So y of 2 pi is equal to 2. Notice that the boundary condition says y of 2 pi must be equal to 2, and it automatically does, no matter what the value of b is. So the sine term vanishes at both endpoints because sine of 0 is equal to 0 and sine of 6 pi is also 0. That means b is free. Infinitely many solutions exist in our general solution. Why does this happen? The differential equation's general solution has two independent solutions, cosine 3x and sine 3x. The boundary conditions are y of 0 is equal to y of 2 pi for cosine 3x. Cosine 0 is equal to 1. Cosine 6 pi is also equal to 1. That matches. For sine 3x, sine of 0 is 0 and sine of 6 pi is also 0, and it also matches. So both basis functions individually satisfy y of 0 and y of 2 pi. Therefore, any linear combination satisfies it. The key property to the problem has a periodic boundary conditions on an interval from 0 to 2 pi. And the eigenfunctions y double prime plus 9y equals 0 are cosine 3x and sine 3x, both having period 2 pi over 3, but more importantly, they satisfy the periodic boundary conditions for the specific interval length. Therefore, The final solution to our two-point boundary value problem with periodic boundary condition is y of x equals to cosine 3x plus b sine 3x with our b as an arbitrary real number. What does this mean physically? If this were a vibrating string or heat problem, boundary conditions don't fix the amplitude of our sine mode. It's undetermined. That happens when the boundary conditions don't see the mode, it's zero at both boundaries. From a linear algebra perspective, the second boundary doesn't add a new independent equation. It is linearly dependent on the first boundary conditions for the sine component. Thus, boundary value problems don't always yield a unique solution. When homogeneous boundary conditions are satisfied by multiple eigenfunctions, the problem can have a family of solutions. That's the beauty of boundary value problems and eigenfunctions. They reveal the structure behind an ordinary differential equations and the chosen boundaries. Thank you so much for listening to my discussion.